Hello students, in today's video we are going to see what you mean by RC phase shift network, how it operates and what is the circuit of RC shifted network using op-amp. So let us begin with the topic. We know that oscillators are the signals oscillators produces output without any AC input signal, but it uses positive feedback. So oscillators are basically amplifiers with positive feedback, and it used to produce sustained oscillations at the output without any external AC input signal. But before going to understand the RC shift oscillators, let us first understand the oscillators are classified. So basically oscillators are classified into two types, that is RC oscillators and LC oscillators. This classification is based on the top component are used in the oscillator circuit. RC oscillators, as name indicate, it uses resistors and capacitors. These oscillators are basically used to provide signals of low frequency, and it also called as audio frequency oscillators, whereas LC oscillators are those oscillators which uses into inductors and capacitors and used to provide high frequency signal, and therefore it is called radio frequency oscillators. Now the RC oscillators are classified into two types, and they are phase shift oscillator and Wien bridge oscillators. Whereas LC oscillators having two types, Hartley oscillators and Colpit oscillator. Now let us understand the circuit of RC phase shift oscillator using op-amp. Before going to understand the circuit of RC oscillator using op-amp, it is very much important to understand the concept of RC phase shift network. Now RC phase shift network used in the feedback network in the op-amp circuit. Now we know that the RC phase shift network, as name indicates, it consists of only resistors and capacitors, and when they are used along with the active element, that means it can be a FET, it can be a BJT, or it can be op-amp, then it forms an oscillator. Now the RC phase shift network basically consists of RC network which are connected in series manner. These three RC network are identical in nature and they are cascaded with respect to each other. Each RC network provides phase shift of 60 degree precisely, so as three networks are cascaded with each other. Therefore, the total phase shift between input and output becomes 180 degree. Three RC network provide phase shift of 60 degree each. This phase shift of 180 degree is provided at the frequency that is equal to frequency of operation of oscillator. Therefore, when we used RC phase shift network in the feedback circuit, then we can use op-amp in the amplifier circuit. So the total phase shift becomes 0 or 360 degree. Now let us understand the RC phase shift oscillator using op-amp. Now if we look in this circuit RC phase shift network using op-amp, and if we compare with the block diagram of oscillator, then we will come to know that it consists of only two basic blocks. That means amplifier as an amplifier using op-amp, and RC phase shift network as a feedback network. So here the op-amp is used in the inverting amplifier configuration. Therefore, for the phase shift introduced by op-amp as an amplifier is equal to 180 degree, as phase shift introduced by op-amp is 180 degree, then in order to use circuit as an oscillator circuit, the circuit requires also satisfied by the Barkhausen criteria, and one of the condition of the Barkhausen criteria is the total phase shift around the loop is required to be 360. Therefore, we require additional phase shift of 180 degree. Op-amp produces a phase shift of 180 degree between input and output. Therefore, we can say the output of op-amp is phase inverted or 180 degree phase shifted version of input signal, that means the feedback signal. Additional phase shift of 180 degree is provided by a RC phase shift network. Here, three identical RC networks are used, and therefore each network produces phase shift of 60 degree each. Therefore, the output signal is now going to input. Output signal is now going to the RC phase shift network, which act as a feedback network. This feedback network provides additional 180 degree phase shift. Therefore, the feedback signal and the output signal now are in phase with each other, means total phase shift around the loop is 360 degree or integral multiple of 360 degree or 0 degree. The second criteria that is required to be satisfied by the oscillator circuit is nothing but open loop gain, that is magnitude of A beta is required to be greater than 1 or equal to 1. Therefore, gain of op-amp, the gain of op-amp is adjusted in such a way that it satisfied the second condition of Barkhausen criteria. As op-amp is used in inverting amplifier configuration, the gain of op-amp is controlled by RF, resistor RF and resistor R1. Therefore, we can say magnitude A equal to RF by R1. The feedback factor of feedback network is taken in such a way that beta equal to 1 by 29, and it satisfies the condition of Barkhausen criteria. Therefore, we can say RF by R1 is required to be greater than 29 so that it can provide sustained oscillations. It is satisfied second condition of Barkhausen criteria, that is mod A beta is required to be greater than 1 or equal to 1. So the circuit satisfied both the conditions of Barkhausen criteria. Therefore, it can be used as a oscillator. The frequency of oscillation for RC phase shift network is given by Fr equal to 1 upon 2 pi RC under root 2n, whereas Fr is the resonant frequency, R is the value of resistor, C is the value of capacitor, which is used in the RC feedback network, and N is number of RC stage, number of RC stages. That is, if we consider here 3, then this total number should be 6. Now this is the frequency of operation at which we can get sustained oscillations along with the condition, that is Rf by R1 should be equal to or greater than 29. Here, instead of using op-amp, we can use transistor, we can use FET, or we can use op-amp. But as we required to implement the circuit by using op-amp, therefore we have used here IC 741. Now let us understand that are the advantages and disadvantages provided by the circuit. Advantages of the circuit: as the circuit uses simple RC network, therefore it provides the advantage of simple circuit. Then the basically RC oscillators produces low frequency signal which are in the range of audio frequency. Therefore, the circuit oscillators used to provide frequency of audio range, and it provides output of sine wave only. As it provides output of sine wave only, it finds many applications in laboratory purpose because sine wave is used mostly as test signals in all the applications. Now moving towards the disadvantage. The first disadvantage is poor frequency stability, as we come to know that the frequency of operation of oscillators is depend on the value of R and C. So due to the variation in the values of R and C because of the humidity, because of the change in temperature, or because of the aging of the component, can affected output frequency. Therefore, the change in the value of R and C can affect the output frequency of the circuit, and due to which the frequency stability get affected. The second disadvantage is difficult to get variable frequency output, as the frequency of operation is depend upon the value of R and C. Therefore, if we want to change the frequency of operation, then we need to change the values of R and values of C equally. That means we require to tune the value of all capacitors, or we require to change all the resistors at the same time. It is not possible to use different values of capacitor or different values of resistors for obtaining the variable frequency. Therefore, it is advisable to change value of capacitor instead to change the value of resistor. So it is very difficult to get variable frequency at output. So these are the advantages and disadvantages offered by RC phase shift network using op-amp. So I hope you understand the topic of RC phase shift network using op-amp, in which 3 identical RC networks are used in the feedback circuit in order to provide the additional phase shift of 180 degree. And op-amp provides phase shift of 180 degree. Therefore, the op-amp can be used as an oscillator along with the RC phase shift network. So I hope you understand the topic. So thank you for watching this video.